Introduction to new Putaway workflow. To make your experience better, Unicommerce has made a few changes in the Putaway process. Putaway GRN item. Add items to Putaway. As you can see, a purchase order was created for which the GRN and quality check is completed. To complete the Putaway for this GRN, go to the Putaway tab and choose Putaway GRN item. Here, if you have the GRN code, you may scan it as per the usual process. You may mention the number of quantities that you wish to put on the shelf and click on Add to Putaway. However, in case you are unable to find the GRN code, you may go to Search Now and find your GRN using any of the 4 entities. Purchase Order Code. You may use the Purchase Order Code to search for the GRN. Vendor Invoice Number. Vendor Invoice Number can also be used to search the GRN code. SKU Code. You may either use any SKU code that is mentioned in the GRN to find the code. GRN created by. You may also try to find the GRN code by the name of user who created the GRN. Once you have entered any of the entity, you may click on Submit. And the details will be displayed. You may select your GRN and click on Add to Preview. The screen will show the items that exist in the selected GRN. You may mention the number of quantities that you wish to put on the shelf. As you fill in the quantities, you may also track the progress bar at the left. Click on Add to Putaway. Thank you for watching.